Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Maxify GX2050. What I want to do is to show you how to replace the ink head. What you need to do is you need to go to the settings, select the settings, select maintenance, then scroll down all the way to select head replacement. Select head replacement. Please note the following. Do not turn off the printer during head replacement. Ink will be removed from head. New head will be filled with ink. Cannot reuse removed head. Then select start. Processing. Please wait momentarily. Open the cover. Then move the ink valve. Remove your hand from the ink valve lever and then tap OK. The print head holder will move. Be careful not to trap your hand on the finger. Then select OK. So the print head is now moved. Remove the print head from the holder. So you can replace a new one. Then you close this. Then it will ask you to insert a new print head. So this is how to remove the print head. Thank you very much indeed. So we'll show you, please wait momentarily. So you need to replace a new print head. Otherwise it will show you, or else it will show you print head is not installed. Install a print head. Thank you very much indeed.